Hello, I choose joy. Yes, you are on the right channel. I do not have braids in my hair. It is fall, so I am enjoying my fro. I have the last little bits of my tomatoes that I grew in my own yard and not the garden that I share with my neighbor. This variety, don't ask me what it is because I do not know. But I do know that they are not a tomato that gets very large. This is typically about the size that they get. And they are delicious. They're really good. I have a basket full of them that I pulled prior to the first freezing temperatures we had here in Georgia. I'm going to take these green tomatoes and I'm going to can them. I'm going to can them in the hopes of using them to fry them later. Yes, just like we canned our okra that we grew in the garden for frying later, we're gonna can these for frying later. Y'all, I'm gonna pull this fro back, get it all pinned up because we don't want hair in our jars, and we are getting ready to can our green tomatoes. Come on. It's the next morning, and yes, I still have on my PJs. You will probably see me in my PJs on the next video as well. But here are my canned green tomatoes. Using my lids that I got from Amazon, 100 of them for like 10 bucks or something, crazy deal. They look kind of soft to me. I'm gonna open one here soon, and we are going to test to see how they fry up. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. You know why, because we're spreading joy around here, y'all. Bye. See you next time.